Hello, Hildegard. What happened to your ears?
Plastic Sergeant. He said it's this thing they spray on. Hopefully I'll be able to get it off soon, but...
And your beard!
Yeah, stupid barber messed up and shaved it right off. Just like this. Oops. Sorry. Hey, what do you know? It came off.
Oh.
Merry Christmas!
It's not even Thanksgiving.
It's almost Thanksgiving. So, have you seen the manager yet today?
What?
Have you seen... What happened to your eyes?
I didn't get much sleep last night.
Your 70% fired!
But Mac. 30 more to go. Oh my gosh, Hildegard, I found your beard. Ugh.
Where'd you find it?
It was, almost flushed down the toilet, so you probably don't want to put it back on.
Want a piece of gum? Where'd it
Nice
go?
try.
I don't know.
Oh, and where are my glasses and beard?
I don't know.
Oh.
I'll just take a piece of gum. I'll take a piece of gum, I guess. You trickster!
That wasn't me.
Yes, you are.
I'm standing here. Oh, and here's my glasses. Hildegard? What are you doing?
What am I doing? I'm testing out this new weapon.
Okay. I'm gonna see if Dr. Hildegard is feeling okay. He's acting kind of strange. What, you don't want this?
What?
Ow!
What?
My beard! Ow! Ow! And even, there's no whiskers left.
A werewolf! Ah! My glasses! Ah! I can't see very well with them.
I can't see.
You can see now, alright?
Where's the werewolf?
You were the werewolf for a second.
It's a werewolf.
No, I'm not a werewolf.
Man, you are blurry.
I'm what?
Blurry.
Do I look scary to you? Do I look scary to you?
I think I need some glasses.
How about you open your eyes?
I can't see anything.
And how come your eyes are open?
Come here. Let me see your glasses.
Hey, I can't see very well.
Hey, I can see.
Yeah.
I need glasses. Sheesh.
Where am I gonna see?
Where'd the glasses go?